berth. My husband is driving and I am now right here in our sleeper berth. We call it sleeper berth, guys. Yeah, because this is the way that I sleep. We sleep, guys, as a truck driver. Here in the US, we need to be in the sleeper berth for 10 hours that we are really need to sleep, and we should not be disturbed by any means. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you today how I will going to show you in this video how we will going to sleep. Right now, guys, my husband is driving and I am now here in the back. And if you ever wonder, guys, paano ba natutulog ang mga truck drivers sa Amerika? You know, at bakit ba doon lang sila nakatira sa bahay nila? So maybe you are questioning why our truckers, they just sleep or they just live in their house. Ano ba ang nasa likod ng kanilang truck? So ito na, guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako natutulog. Lalong-lalo na, guys, need that our aircon is not working and it's summer in here. That's why it's really hot. So what I did is I open our window. I'm gonna show you right now. Kikita niyo, guys. Yan, nag-drive ko yung asawa ko. And we are moving right now. And then po chicken ko. Yan is driving. That's our cup. And that's our French in there. We have the baby bucket where we're gonna sleep. We're gonna pee. We have this rice cooker. We also have our balloons. You know, we have our rice cooler. That's the French for our videos. And all those are cabinets right there. Cabinets. And also I have an electric fan going. Even though our aircon is working, or even though it's not, I really wants to turn on that electric fan, guys. Yan. Yan po yung mga gamit ko. At pag matutulog po ako, guys, it's really mandated by law that we really need to use this net. Yan. Net, guys. Connected po yan dito, guys. Yan. Connected po yan. For our set purposes. Yan. Meron tayong mga lights dito. Yan, lights. Yan, guys. Sa kabila din, meron yung lights. Yan. Ito yung vent namin. Yung vent. Ito yung mga adjust ng mga ilaw. Yan. Ito yung lalagyan ng cellphone, guys. Kaya kapag gusto kang manood ng ng sinas ng movie, lubad yung cellphone ko. Yan. Ito po yung little cabinet namin dito. And I'm going to show you, guys. Yan, my discovery today. Hindi ko alam na meron pala kami dito. Meron pala bintana. Yan, bintana yan namin. Ang ganda-ganda po na. And I need to open this one because our aircon is not moving. So what I did is this one, I just snap it together, pull it up. That's why. Yan na, guys. Kitang-kita po na nandito po kami sa daan. Yan, ako na po yung matutulog later. Kasi mamayang gabi, guys, magdadrive ako around 7 p.m. Kasi matatapos na yung shift ng asawa ko, guys. Punta kami yung Utah. Yan, we're driving from Kansas City, Kansas, guys, to Utah. Nakikita natin ito yung aking maliwagang bintana. Yan, bintana po yan, guys. Ganda-ganda po ng bintana ko. Bintana ko, pag ayaw ko naman yan, isirin yan. So, pwede kong isira. Ito naman yung net ko. Yan, natutulog na ako. Yan po. So, ganito po ako matulog, guys. Yan ang pagiging truck driver. Ang pagiging truck driver po dito sa Amerika, guys, ay hindi talaga biro. Kasi lalong-lalo na pag magdadrive ka, lalo na pag OTR ka, guys. Yun ang OTR, on the road trucker. Tapos meron ding regional dito na umuwi kapag gabi. Kami, guys, on the road trucker kami. We're trucking in the 48 states. So kung saan-saan kami napapadpad ng asawa ko. Kaya dito lang kami sa truck nakatira, guys. It's really unpractical naman kung kukuha ng bahay. May bahay naman kami sa Pilipinas. Tapos, yeah, it's really impractical. Tapos dito naman kami sa truck, na natutulog. Naliligo kami sa truck stop. Yan. So, this is our life here. Yan. Yan po yung bintana kung pinakita kanina. Ito po yung buhay namin dito. Yan. Sakripisyo talaga para makaipon. So, yun na guys. Ipinakita ko na sa inyo yung how we sleep and how we live here in the US. So, thank you so much for watching my video and I hope I entertained. Bye! See you next time.